हमारे साथ यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं धनक एजाज, योगा, एक्रो योगा एंड स्लैकलाइन योगा इंस्ट्रक्टर फॉर एडल्ट्स एंड किड्स. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
How are you, Dhana?
I'm pretty good. How are you?
I'm good. सबसे पहले तो मुझे बताएं कि योगा for kids is something very new. And you said you've been doing it since 2018.
Yeah.
तो ये कैसे प्लान किया कि बच्चों के बड़ों का तो करना है लेकिन छोटों बच्चों का भी करना है?
So turns out that I have a lot of nieces and nephews. ठीक है? So a lot of people, and there's this one school actually. It's called Footsteps, and they were actually looking for someone for breathing and meditation because they were a very new kind of school, a preschool at that time, and they felt it was necessary for the kids to relax and get the hang of what to do when they're stressed, or just get a little bit of stretching because all the kids were on the phone, so they wanted to change that behavior. And they reached out to me, and then I was like, okay, yeah, let's try, because I've been teaching my nieces and nephews anyway. So when I started, we had like a test try, and all the kids were so receptive. The only difference between kids yoga and adult yoga, I would say, is that I actually use story-based movements.
Very nice.
So, for example, like a tree pose, I start with like, let's imagine that we're a seed, like a small seed, and then with time you water the seed. So this also helps them realize, hey, you need to water the seed to be able to grow.
Yeah.
So you water the seeds, and with time you have to keep going, and in years it becomes like a tree, and then make that tree pose. Those kind of things.
Okay. So कैसे इसमें क्या-क्या टेक्निक्स होती हैं? आपने कहा इस तरह बताते हैं. बेनिफिट्स क्या हैं?
So the benefits for kids yoga, or yoga in fact, is it helps with obviously your flexibility. It helps in improving your breath work. It helps with reducing any stress that the kid might have. Helps in positive body image, because some kids are like, no, I can't do it. Like, let's try a little bit. Try as much as you can. And then they're like, oh, I'm doing it. So us tarah se when kids get to know, okay, these are certain things that I can do, and it's fun. A lot of kids, initially I remember when I started long time ago, they're like, oh, yoga is just, Yeah. And I'm like, no, it's more than that. And then like, oh, how come? I'm like, okay, let's start. So I also make them realize that it's a safe circle for them. All right? A lot of instructors, when they're like, oh, you have to do it this way or not this way, I'm like, try it out. If it doesn't work, we'll try another way. And then that helps build their confidence as well.
True.
And after that, then they're like, oh, we want to do that one because, it makes us feel like we're flying. And so initially, to give them a little bit of, motivation that they can do things on their own as well, independency. Then also, it's calming the mind, it's focusing, because they're focusing on where to press into their feet, or, like what to do, how to breathe. So it helps in concentration as well.
ठीक है. What is the ideal age to start introducing? आप किस age से कर सकते हैं?
So ideally, you can start in preschool as well. So I have kids who are probably the age of...
So do you go to different schools to get...
Yes,
okay.
yes. So I teach from kids maybe the age of 3 and all the way up, basically.
ठीक है.
So, but the difference between all of this is I will not teach the same kind of class to a 3-year-old as compared to a 9-year-old.
ठीक है.
All right? It depends on how, body structure. It should be fun when you're younger. It should be it should be fun activities, very simple yoga movements. But as you grow older, it can be structured and more, I would say a little bit more, how do you say the word? More difficult poses can be taught, because initially want to just
usually you have seen this कि we have seen this कि बच्चे ज़्यादातर gymnastic की तरफ जा रहे होते हैं. For young kids, it's gymnastic is their thing.
Yeah.
For yoga, बच्चों को attract करना बहुत मुश्किल है, उनको लेके आना योगा के लिए. So you think कि parents की involvement इसमें होनी चाहिए अगर a mother and a daughter is doing it together?
So it can be, you can take both approaches. You can have with parents as well, or without them. With parents it's a nice supportive environment, like you're bonding with your child. It helps to give support and emotional, support as well. If you're just saying like, no, parents will not be there, so what you can do is you can still instill confidence in them, and they're like independency, you know, that they can do it on their own. With parents, it'll be like nurturing, you know, I'm doing it, it's a bonding experience. So when you said about gymnastics, right? So yes, you are right. However, there are kids who still haven't gotten the idea of what yoga is. You know, when they start doing it, they realize, oh, this is very different. This is something, you know, I've seen my mother do, like, you know, like
Ye wala
ye wala pose. They always say that
ये meditation हो रही है.
Yeah. But when they do it, because kids yoga is a very skilled session, actually. You have to realize, you know, some kids will not be very attentive, and you have to make up stories or make up moves that will help them gauge that interest. All right? Yes, it's tough, but it's also rewarding. So, you know, what I do is I start with like different animal walks, you know, and kids were like, what do you mean animal walks, you know, and then I show them, you know, how have you watched like animal, you know, shows or something. Like, no. Initially when I started, the kids didn't know how frogs jump. You know, and then I was like, no, this is how they're like, oh wow, how do the elephants walk? They're like, oh, this is how they walk. That, you know, those kind
of mind interaction kitni
exactly
है,
like
involvement kitni है बच्चों की. अच्छा, is it difficult to दोनों जो genders होते हैं like boys and girls, तो किसको differently क्या कोई योगा है बच्चों लड़कों के लिए और लड़कियों के लिए?
As
because
far
boys
as
are more flexible.
No,
girls are also flexible, but yes.
Actually,
but boys जरा होते ना.
So boys का वैसे तो I don't, when I teach, I don't have any kind of difference between boys and girls. However, if you are to ask me, boys generally like something that's, you know, strength based and, you know, something dynamic, and girls are actually like more flexibility and balance kind of poses. They like more of those.
Okay.
So I prefer do not teach like different, because when I see kids, I just see, you know, human beings and they're all the same.
What are the simple yoga steps जो आप पहले बच्चों को poses बता सकते हो जो उनके लिए beginners के लिए?
So cat cow pose. All right, cat cow pose is actually not called cat cow pose in kids yoga. It's called happy cat, you know, sad cat, you know, angry cat. And then there's downward facing dog. So that's like happy puppy pose. And then there's upward facing dog. That's, you know, hungry dog. You know, those kind of things that helps them relay, like remind them. Because if I just say, let's just do a certain pose, they're like, literally they'll be blank. But if you associate something that they are gonna, you know, remember, they love it. Like sandwich pose.
Yeah.
You don't have a sandwich pose in adult yoga, right? It's a normal seated pose, which is like, you know, like you fold forward. So it's a seated forward fold.
So mentally kids के लिए कितना ये अच्छा है?
So when they
some kids are very shy, they don't want to make friends, and they उनकी hesitation होती है कि हम किसी भी ऐसी activity में ना जाएं. You know, you've seen such, I've witnessed such kids कि वो aloof रहना चाहते हैं, even school की activities में भी. तो क्या ये बच्चों के confidence के लिए भी अच्छा है?
Yes, yes. Also, when you say, for example, I would not expect a kid to start responding to me from the start, all right? Because a kid actually needs time to get used to the teacher. A kid needs time to get used to what cues, what is she saying, like what are these words coming out of her mouth, right? So it takes time for them to get used to the movement. As far as you're saying someone who's shy and, you know, breathing techniques and stuff like that, so I would suggest that with time, you see a far difference. What if, like, pehle unhone responsive nahi honge. Initially, they'll just be looking at me ke kya kar rahi hain. Second session mein, they'll be like, okay, they'll start breathing with me, all right? Third, fourth, fifth session mein, they'll start moving their, like, you know, their body parts with me. So it takes time for a shy person to open up, but aisa nahi hai ki, you know, bilkul bhi nahi. There are certain kids who will not like yoga at all, and that is completely okay. Because personality सब बच्चों की different होती है. As adults, we have different personalities.
Yes.
सबको योगा शायद पसंद ना हो, ठीक है? So इसी तरह से kids का भी यही same है.
Yeah. What are the challenges they face?
attention, mostly attention.
Okay.
And so for that you tell them, okay, think about pressure in your feet, let's say, like agar मैं कोई pose कर रही हूँ, tree pose, let's say, ठीक है, are you able to press into your feet and what is the other foot doing? So like, oh, this is doing something or the other.
सही,
All right?
ठीक है. अच्छा, डिफरेंटली एबल बच्चे भी होते हैं, उनको भी आप इसमें इन्वॉल्व करते हो?
जी, बिल्कुल करती हूँ.
एंड हाउ इज दैट लाइक, व्हाट्स द एक्सपीरियंस लाइक?
वेरी, मतलब
चैलेंज तो वो है.
चैलेंज, या लेकिन पता है क्या, अगर आप एक नॉन रिस्पॉन्सिव, मतलब एक बच्चा जो बिल्कुल रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करता, ठीक है, एंड देन आप 6 महीने लगा देते हैं उसके ऊपर, एंड आप कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं करते, आप सिर्फ वो आपके साथ बैठे हुए होते हैं, एंड फिर उस 6 महीने के बाद वो खुद ब खुद जब वो सेम मूवमेंट्स करने लगते हैं, आपके आंखों से आंसू निकलते हैं.
I know.
एंड देन यू लाइक, मेरी हेल्प से
उनके पेरेंट्स के लिए कितना ये वो होगा?
बहुत, मतलब फ़ायदेमंद हो, बिकॉज एक और
बट मुझे एक बात बताओ, स्कूल्स आपको किस तरह हायर करते हैं? कितना टाइम आपको स्कूल्स में देना पड़ता है?
स्कूल्स जनरली जिनका उनका टर्म होता है, जैसे सब अगर अगस्त से स्टार्ट होगा, अगस्त से दिसंबर तक,
ठीक है.
सो मैं जनरली क्या करती हूँ, वंस अ वीक डिफरेंट स्कूल्स में करती हूँ.
एंड वन मोर थिंग, धनक, जैसे हमने डिफरेंटली एबल बच्चों की बात की है, तो क्या उनको आप इन्हीं बच्चों के साथ मिक्सअप करके करवाते हो?
सो एक आपको कराची डाउन सिंड्रोम प्रोग्राम के बारे, सो मैं वहाँ पे किड्स योगा कराती हूँ उनको, एंड वहाँ उनका पूरा सेशन होता है, वो एक करिकुलम में है उनकी, ठीक है, तो वो एक तो पूरा ग्रुप जो है एक साथ मिलके वो करते हैं. कुछ स्कूल्स में और ऐसे बच्चे हैं वो पता ही नहीं चलता, क्योंकि वो इतना मज़े, उनको इतना अच्छा लगता है कि वो सबके साथ जो है मूवमेंट कर रहे हैं कि समझ ही नहीं आता कि वो एक्चुअली डिफरेंटली एबल्ड है या नहीं.
आई नो.
तो इस तरह से बिकॉज स्कूल्स का भी एक बहुत अच्छा रोल है कि उन्होंने इन्फ्यूज़ किया हुआ है, मतलब बाकी बच्चों के साथ, तो वो उनकी जो एक्चुअली जब वो जब करते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है कि हमारी तरह,
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. एंड आई थिंक दे आर मोर इंटेलिजेंट देन अस, एंड उनमें जितनी कैपेबिलिटीज़ हैं वो शायद हमारे बच्चों में भी नहीं है, जो एक नॉर्मल बच्चा होता है. एंड आई थिंक दे आर वेरी डिफरेंटली एबल्ड हैं, बट आई थिंक उनमें दूसरी क्वालिटीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. अब थोड़े मिथ्स हैं, उस पर बात करते हैं, लेकिन क्लासेस का ड्यूरेशन कितना है, मुझे बताएं.
अच्छा, सो हर बच्चों की जो एज
के हिसाब से मुझे बताइए.
तो अगर मतलब जैसे 3 साल के बच्चे, उनसे ज़्यादा 20 से 25 मिनट से ज़्यादा नहीं होगा.
हाँ,
ठीक है, क्योंकि वो फिर वो थक जाते हैं, उनको फिर खाना खाना होगा, मतलब अटेंशन भी इतना
बट मज़ा कितना आता होगा कि कंपटीशन भी एक बच्चों का होता है कि आई कैन डू बेटर, और इसमें ही बच्चा बहुत अच्छा करने लग जाए.
दैट्स गुड, बट जनरली योगा में वी डोंट ब्रिंग इन कंपटीशन ऐसा.
ओके,
ठीक है, साथ करेंगे. अगर किसी को नहीं आ रहा, तुम हेल्प करो. उस तरह से एक बॉन्ड
एंड सेंस ऑफ एम्पैथी आता है, आपको समझ में आता है.
इस दौर में, इस दुनिया में हम ऑलरेडी इतना कंपटीशन कर रहे हैं कि अगर साथी अगर
एम्पैथी लेफ्ट,
तो और सब एक साथ मतलब एक साथ जाएं तो कितना मज़ा है. लाइक यू नो कि अगर इसको नहीं आ रहा, फिर जब वो आता है तो वो भी बच्चा बोलेगा, ओह मैंने इसको सिखाया तो इसको आ गया. यू नो, टीचिंग स्किल्स भी आ गई कि किस तरह से कम्युनिकेट किया मैंने इसके साथ कि इसको आ गया. यू नो, उस तरह से भी चीज़ें. तो आई थिंक कम्युनिकेशन ऑल्सो गेट्स बेटर जब आप योगा करते हैं.